Hey guys, so I just wanted to share with you a real quick little video about the Rational Zeros Theorem and what it all means. So the Rational Zeros Theorem is this super complicated way of saying that to find all of the possible roots, you simply divide the factors of the constant by all of the factors of the leading coefficient. What you use is the letters P and Q. P is the constant, Q is the leading coefficient. You factor them, you divide them out, you've got all of your possible roots. So let's talk about this polynomial here. We've got an x cubed plus 2x squared minus 9x plus 7. The constant, or the p, is 7. The factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Don't forget that you have to have the plus or minus because it could be positive 1 times positive 7. It could be negative 1 times negative 7. We don't know, so we have to include both, okay? So that's our p. Our q is the leading coefficient, which in this case is 1. That one's kind of nice because there's only two factors, positive or negative 1. That's all we've got. Now to find the possible roots, we take all of the p's divided by all of the q's. So we're going to take plus or minus 1 divided by 1 is 1. Plus or minus 7 divided by 1 is 7. That one was nice and easy. There's not too many roots there. Then we would go on to test them. Remember, this is a cubic, so there's only 3 actual roots, even though we have 4 possibilities. We would have to figure out which 3 of those are actual roots. This one is a little bit harder, I guess. P this time is 2. The only factors of 2 are plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 2. Our Q is 5. So we've got plus or minus 1, plus or minus 5. Now, to find all of the possible roots, we're going to take each p divided by each q. So I'm going to start with 1, and I'm going to take plus or minus 1 divided by 1 is 1. Plus or minus 1 divided by 5 is 1/5. Plus or minus 2 divided by 1 is 2. And plus or minus 2 divided by 5 is 2/5. These are all of my possible roots. Now again, the degree, remember, tells me how many I will have. So I will have 3. Of these possibilities, 3 of them will be roots. Remember, you're finding all of the possible roots. You still have to go through and find out which of those roots works in the polynomial. The degree is what tells you how many there actually are. So of the 8 that we found, 3 of them will be actual roots, and that's what you have to do the synthetic division or long division to figure out, okay? So this is kind of just a little blurb on the rational zeros theorem. Tells you how to find those zeros, all the possible zeros, and then you can go from there and figure out which ones actually work.